The bench imposed a fine of 5 lakh rupees on the hotel and directed it to deposit the amount within 4 weeks. Representational image. The Bombay High Court today imposed a fine of Rs. 5 lakh on Hotel Leela Venture Limited for forum hunting by seeking that their pleas, challenging eviction proceedings initiated against it by the Airports Authority of India (AAAI), be heard by a single-judge bench. The AAI had, in February last year, issued an eviction notice to Hotel Leela Venture, which runs a 5-star hotel near the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, for non-payment of dues. Ad choice advertising in red invented by TEEDS. The Airports Authority initiated the procedure to evict the hotel and reclaim 29,000 square m land it stands on for non-payment of dues and flouting other terms of agreements. The hotel company had then filed 2 petitions in High Court, one challenging the notice and the other against the eviction proceedings. It had also filed an arbitration petition seeking to amicably resolve the dispute. Initially, the hotel's counsel sought for all the matters to be heard by a division bench. The petitions were then placed before a division bench of Justices A. S. Oka and Riaz Chagla. However, the hotel's lawyer, Deepak Khosla, said today that the arbitration petition can be heard only by a single-judge bench. The arbitration petition should be transferred to a single-judge bench and the other 2 petitions should also be clubbed along with it, Khosla told the court. The division bench, however, got irked with this and said earlier the hotel's lawyers had moved the High Court's Chief Justice seeking for all petitions to be clubbed and heard by a division bench. This is a clear abuse of the process of law. This is forum hunting, bench hunting. We deprecate such behavior by litigants, Justice Oka said. The bench imposed a fine of 5 lakh rupees on the hotel and directed it to deposit the amount within 4 weeks. The court also vacated an interim relief granted by it earlier by which it had stayed the eviction proceedings initiated by the AAI against the hotel before an eviction officer. The stay on the eviction proceedings initiated by us before the eviction officer under Chapter 5A of the Airports Authority of India Act has been vacated by the court today. This means the proceedings can begin, AAAI counsel Ashutosh Kumbhakoni said. According to the AAI, Hotel Leela Venture had defaulted on payments and also violated certain other clauses in their agreement. The AAI had initially asked the hotel to repay dues or hand over possession of the land. When the company failed to do either, AAI issued the eviction notice and later initiated the eviction proceedings. Catch up on all the latest crime, national, international and Hatki news here. Also download the new Midday Android and iOS apps to get latest updates. This story has been sourced from a third-party syndicated feed agencies. Midday accepts no responsibility or liability for its dependability, trustworthiness, reliability and date of the text. Midday Management/mid-day.com reserves the sole right to alter, delete or remove without notice the content in its absolute discretion for any reason whatsoever.